surge
Tell me that
protection
already.
on your house is an important thing because if a surge of electricity should enter your house, it will absorb that surge of electricity. A surge of electricity can come from various sources. It's always going to come from the utility. However, it could be caused from lightning. It can be caused from a power outage and the power coming back on. It can be caused from somebody hitting a telephone pole and the transformer getting damaged or blowing up, or it could come from PG&E and them doing their work on the electrical lines, and they make a mistake, which then will cause a surge to come into your house. So that surge protector will absorb that surge that comes into your house. And that surge is something that can destroy anything that has a circuit board. We're talking about refrigerators, washer and dryer, dishwashers, furnaces, LED lights, televisions, computers, anything that is in your house that has a circuit board inside of it can be damaged from a surge of electricity.